Hello everyone and welcome to Invest Wisdom. In this video, we're going to talk about how to write a business plan for a startup. If you're new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. You'll need to know how to write a business plan if you want to start your own company. Even when they start with a great idea, most businesses fail. Standard figures show that 90% of enterprises fail during the first 5 years of operation, with just 1 out of every 10% surviving. So why do some businesses fail while others succeed? This might be due to a variety of factors, including but not limited to bad customer service, poor logistics, poor cost management, and inadequate commodities are the main causes of a lack of a company plan. Business plans assist in identifying and achieving goals. Setting clear, realistic goals and mapping a route to success can help you achieve your goals and expand your business. I have compiled an all-inclusive list of areas that need to be considered while writing a business plan. This will help you define your goals and the path your business needs to take to achieve them. Step 1 is to resist your vision. When starting a company, you have a certain objective in mind. You are aware of the precise goals you have for your firm. Nonetheless, after some time, your eyesight will grow hazy and you will forget some of your bright thoughts. Writing out your company's vision can help you define it, and it will also assist your employees connect with the purpose. Then all everyday business operations may be linked with your company's goal. This should be the first stage in the business plan drafting process. Step 2. Assess demand for your product or service. The demand and supply curve must have been examined. Even if you haven't, it seems sense that there should be a substantial demand for your goods. Before investing in a new firm, demand should be determined. The fundamental guideline is that supply should be less than demand. If this holds true for your market, your company will prosper. However, if demand is lower than supply, your company will collapse. Gather as much information as possible and complete your research. You may do secondary research from the comfort of your home through the internet or at a local library. For this information, you can even visit government agencies, although primary research is by far the superior alternative. You communicate directly with your intended market in order to determine their preferences and their propensity to purchase your goods. Therefore, out on a journey and jot down all of the intriguing ideas you discover to enhance demand. Be cautious and only spend your life money after confirming that there is a market for your goods. Step 3. Conduct market research. It is common to have a wonderful idea, only to find that someone else has already launched a firm with a similar concept. This is a pretty frequent occurrence, but you must prevent it from beginning. How many gas stations are available? The market is broad enough to sustain numerous enterprises offering the same service, but you must be intimately familiar with your particular industry. Find out how many rivals you have, what services they provide, and what the present and future trends are in your sector. Since you understand the underlying workings of the market, you can manipulate it to your advantage. This is a crucial aspect of understanding how to construct a business strategy. Step 4. Learn about the customer. This is an obvious fact. Customers are the most crucial aspect of any business, and you should be aware of who your company serves. Customers have dozens of alternatives for every product. Therefore, if you want them to purchase your product, you must understand who your target client is. This is why, while drafting a business strategy, you must identify your target groups and investigate their behaviors. Understanding the motives behind the behavior of your consumers may help your company succeed. You may concentrate on the sections that pique your consumers' attention and abandon the rest. Consider what might compel people to pick you, putting yourself in their place each time you document and apply your ideas. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Determine your unique selling proposition in Step 5. What distinguishes you from the rest of the crowd? Your unique selling proposition, or USP, will increase your appeal to prospective clients. It might range from extra services to individualized customer care. While writing a company strategy, you may also provide enhanced after-sales service and warranty. You just need to emphasize the extras that your consumers get from you to distinguish your firm. Establish your company's aims and objectives at step 6. Never believe that your ambitions must be modest because of your constraints. Think boldly and clearly identify your short-term objectives over the next 12 months. Long-term objectives are those that will take between 2 or 3 years to achieve, while intermediate objectives are those that will take between 2 and 3 years. Consider all variables, including the money you intend to create, the number of clients you need in your database, the target market and age groups, and the passive income that must be generated in the future. Step 7. Determine your marketing goals. Next in the process of drafting a company strategy is establishing marketing objectives. These are the objectives that determine how your product will appear, how much it will cost, how it will be distributed, and how it will be promoted. The majority of firms do this, but they miss the most vital aspects. You should establish quantifiable marketing objectives that contribute to the achievement of your key business objectives. The answers to these questions will help you decide your marketing goals. Creating a marketing plan in step 8. You need a strategy to reach your objectives. What are your objectives? How many goods do you need to manufacture, and at what profit margin to get the necessary amount of revenue? What will your distribution method and coverage area be? What techniques do you use to advertise your business? Be extremely precise when developing a business plan, since this will convert into action and your eventual success or failure strategy for each company. This is a crucial phase in drafting a business plan, so familiarize yourself with it so that you can go through each section with ease. Step 9. Take action. Without action, of course, everything else is useless. This is the most critical aspect of business plan drafting. You will not earn anything until you execute your plans and attract clients to your business. Even if the business plan indicates that your concept is not practical, do not abandon it. There are many additional options available, and you will eventually discover one that fits your needs. There is a business waiting for you to seize if you want to be rich, healthy, and content. Your company strategy will give focus and direction. You must take the initial step, but launching a profitable company is not difficult if you know what to prioritize. You are now aware of what is essential and how to approach the work of drafting a business plan. You are now better prepared to launch a successful company. Begin your investigation immediately, write down your excellent thoughts, set your objectives, discover a way, and do not allow anybody to deter you. Now that you understand how to construct a business plan, you have the key to your success in your hands. Make the most of the situation. Thanks for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, go give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Thank you and goodbye.